Alright, so chances are if you're watching this video you really want to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube and you're tired of a bunch of videos which explain it horribly. Unfortunately, I'm probably not going to explain it any better than any other YouTuber out there, and there's lots of YouTubers out there who are way better than me explaining, but I'm just going to mess this cube up right now and walk you through the steps that I take in order to solve it. So I normally start with what's called the white cross. So this is when you just manipulate these edge pieces here to essentially get all of the white and coloured pieces to the correct position on the cube. So you notice that I'm just really quickly forming a cross, and the corners don't matter at the first start. The corners will probably be wrong. All you want to see is this white cross with the colours matching up here. And that can be just done sort of with logic and moving it around. There's no real special algorithm. And you can pull, if you don't want to mess up the cross, you pull down and then you take the piece out and then you just have it down here now instead of in the top here. And you can select the correct position for it to be by pulling down the side and then sliding it in and then pushing it back up again. And then you just repeat that for all of the corners. Again, no special algorithm. Now this is the tricky part where most people get stuck. So there's this piece here and you want to look at what color it is. So this one is red and blue, and we'll notice that the blue is on this side relative to the red. So we're going to turn away and then perform the algorithm up, across, down, across, rotate, up, across, down, across. And you notice that that will move the piece that's got blue and red on it from here to here. So you just repeat that for all the other sides. So again, I'll just slow it down. So we've got this one, so we notice that this side is the one we want to rotate away. So across, up, across, down, back, across, up, down. And then we're just going to repeat that. This time it's mirrored on the other side, and then we're going to end up with all of these rows solved here. So we've got the first layer solved, the second layer solved. This is called the three-layer method, and it's the three-layer method, and it's the simplest method that I know, but it's not the fastest. I think there's something called CFOP. I'm not familiar with that. I just know how to do the basic solve. So when you get to the end, you're going to either see an L, a line, or a cross of yellow things, yellow dots, or whatever colour you're solving, which is opposite. And what we're going to do in this situation is perform the algorithm rotate, up, across, down, across, and because we've got the L, we're going to go up, across, down, across again, and we're going to pull it back up again, and you'll notice that this side is now solved. That was a complete jinx, a fluke, that doesn't normally happen, but we're not worried about the corners, we're just worried about getting this cross in the right positions. And you're going to rotate the piece here so that you get two lining up. Now you can either get one that's right here, make a three line that's right here, and one that's three right here, or you can get one that's three right here and three right here. In this case we're closer to the end, so we're just going to perform the algorithm up, push, down, push, up, push, push, down, push. And that's going to arrange all of these line pieces here in the middle to be in the right place. Now all we've got to do is solve the corners, and we're going to look for a piece that's in the right place. So this piece is in the right place because it's got green, orange and yellow, and it is surrounded by green, orange and yellow. And we're going to perform the algorithm across, up, across, up, across, down, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, down. Now we had to actually repeat the same algorithm twice there. The algorithm has now fixed the cube to where we've got these two last pieces that are in the wrong place. So as you can see, they're flipped around, and we're just going to turn it, the cube, so the white faces on top, and go up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, until this one lines up to the right place. We're going to flick the bottom round, and we're going to go up, across, down, across, up, across, down, across, and it should total 6 up, across, down, crosses, and we have the cube solved. That was a terrible explanation, but hopefully maybe I helped you in some way towards your journey of learning to solve the cube. There are other people on YouTube who explain it far better than me, so yeah, go look at their videos. Bye.